Arcade?
We're ready.
Sure.
Thunder.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
we're
while
gonna
we're
continue
waiting,
the Thunderstorm.
yeah.
Yeah, we're doing Thunderstorm again. I might go Hanzo actually. Like we could go Hanzo Symmetra. What else? We would need a tank and a healer.
I've preferred to
Which
be
one
the
we do?
healer.
We're doing Thunderstorm.
All right, so what do I
So-
pick as the tank?
Enemies will do shock damage if you're close.
Ryan could honestly work here pretty well.
And what kind of healer do you want?
How about Zarya? I'm just curious.
I don't think Zarya. Oh, Zarya would be a pretty high charge, but she doesn't have as much protection against like the heavy fire from the heavies.
Oh, true.
Heavy fire should have.
Yeah, the heavy fire. What with the heavies and the output and the such.
How about we have
Understandable.
double shields?
That's true, but I'd rather
One
have the
damage
healing.
and one healer.
No, we need more than one healing, especially with how volatile
Well,
this.
someone's playing Reinhardt then.
Do you? Well, the thing is, Nick, do you want? Who do you want to play? What role do you want? Because Mercy is not enough healing for all of us.
Yeah. Moira, actually. Yeah.
Moira.
So Hanzo, Moira, Reinhardt, Symmetra, I think. See how it goes.
Yeah, just do the roundabout thing.
Asian, are you cool with playing Sim?
I don't play Sim, but I'll figure it out.
It's just more of a
Are you
Ryan
more
player.
comfortable with Ryan?
Fuck it.
Okay, let's go.
Main thing to remember with Tim is her right click is a 120 damage orb her that you have to charge up. And the left click is a 60 damage beam that upgrades as you focus it on someone. And
And,
goes up as you go up
And I
against one
recommend staying close to me because I have to heal you.
Yep.
Wait, can my charge consistently like stack up on different enemies? Like say I pivot from one to the other.
What?
So when I left click and it charges, right? It gets more damage. Can I swap from different enemies?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying.
I have 3 health.
Oh, I need to shit.
Let's get back up so we don't have. Lost my shield as well.
Wow, they dick my turrets immediately. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's because of the electrical.
Oh. Sim not that good actually.
Hanzo, come back!
Don't they spawn up there?
Don't think so.
I'm not gonna get them.
You know, Symmetra's fun to play. You just left click and you have a big dick laser.
Sniper.
Sniper dead.
Wait,
I need a rail.
I am healing the best I
what do
can.
you mean? They actually don't shoot the turrets.
I
They
have
have to shoot the
coalescence. I will use it in emergencies.
Sounds good.
Their lasers don't shoot the turrets. They have to
Oh,
shoot
they
the
just shot it. They just shot it.
Yeah,
they literally shot at
don't
it.
have lasers though.
Oh, the electricity doesn't go for it then?
No, I just thought it doesn't go for
Wait, what? Wait, does my right click do AoE damage? Wait, does Sombra's spears do AoE damage?
They don't, but they have a really big hitbox.
Oh.
Did you say Sombra or Symmetra?
Oh, Symmetra. God damn it. Close enough.
Sorry, I didn't know if I heard because the game
No,
audio is
you're right.
really loud.
I kept saying Sombra. It's actually me.
I am half on healing. I need to tickle
Go for
some
the-
enemies.
Alright, go for the big suck.
it. He died.
Okay, I'm full now.
Very nice.
So what comes next? Assassin?
I have dragons for the heavy.
Snipers and then assassin. 2 snipers, an assassin, and then a heavy.
I thought Assassin was first with Gabba.
Snipers come before the assassin, but and then the heavy is last.
Oh, yeah, heavy is always
Behind us.
Push it down.
They haven't touched my turrets yet. Actually, they have.
Sniper.
Oh, I fell down by accident.
Got her. Sniper's both down.
Assassin there?
Yep, that's his next. Got it.
I just realized something.
Half on health.
Oh boy, this is a problem.
I'm low.
This is a problem.
Sorry.
You're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine.
I'll hold my shield up for the fortress.
Take it.
Push it out.
Ooh, nice charge. Nice charge.
Behind us.
No, it didn't hit him.
Well, good. It was a good boot though. We take those.
There's a
Okay.
enforcer. I'm trying to heal you.
Indeed, this is true. Oh, assassin.
Assassin.
What the hell is?
Incoming.
Oh, I wanted to charge him. I didn't think it would stop.
Ooh, nice. You down? Nice. Good job, team.
You got her pretty quick there.
That's heavy next.
Yeah, heavy.
Heavy will spawn down below, most likely.
Isn't there like smoke bombs next, actually?
I'm 4% to my ult. Okay, heavy any second.
I'm down.
Oh shoot.
Where? What?
It's okay, it's okay.
We got you.
Back up.
No revive. We're fine. Oh, we don't have mercy. It's fine. We don't need it, honestly. We're good.
Yeah, we don't even need it. We don't even have it.
Here's the heavy.
Hey,
Right down, right down. Want to charge your thing?
We're fine.
Alright, we got him with the full duration of dragons.
Nice.
I wouldn't expose yourself.
I don't have my ult. Be careful.
I have clothes on. No worries, man. Oh, not the problem.
On counter.
Very nice.
Enforcer, we need to make sure the enforcer's down.
I'm just gonna.
Really good ultimate.
Force one. Force dead.
And heavy is last.
I already have ultimate already.
It's up.
I already have no
You
pack
got
up.
2 ults in that one fight.
It's a metro, man.
Oh, that was scary.
Yeah,
God, it's a metro ult so fucking fast. Jesus Christ.
I mean, 180 damage a second, of course you do. Also, Asian, observe.
Wait, where?
Down here, yeah.
Yeah, this is the back tunnel. Have you
I'm
never
still-
known here?
What?
Have you never known the tunnel was there?
Well, the thing is, I died over here, and there were enemies on the stairs.
Could
so
you
I had to
come
go
over
straight
here,
down.
Asian?
Can you jump up here as Reinhardt? You can. I can just imagine a man with metal armor just jumping up the
Sam,
Yes?
you were critical.
Oh.
I think that's just below half HP. It's critical.
Nice.
So this means roadhogs that are critical with more health than racing. So
Oh, yeah. Okay. Get this one here. This one here.
Sniper any second.
They instantly got rid of my turret. That's
sniper, right?
Focusers actually.
Yep, sniper.
Got 2 enforcers.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah. These guys can shoot them too.
I had to use my ult.
Thank you. It was really good. It was really good.
You're not gonna have to. Well, heavies come to later. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I know, I'm just saying that I had to use it. I couldn't use it on the assassin.
Assassin.
Yeah.
Right?
I'll probably use dragons on the assassin, honestly.
You have a lot of time.
Oh, if you can try to
Assassin.
maybe one for the assassin, one for the. Oh,
And be
assassin.
careful, there'll be enforcers on either side. I said be
I
careful.
shouldn't have charged that.
Alright, we got her low.
I need assistance on Asian.
It's gonna be alright.
I'll test it. Dead.
About a thing.
I'm down.
Try to get away and deal damage.
I'm a quick res.
Oh, get.
Alright.
How the fuck did we live? No way.
Right? I was like,
Dead.
oh, there he goes.
He's not good by
Yeah,
how many
I
times you're
agree
going
there.
down.
Yeah, this is gonna be long. Jeez.
I'm sorry, guys.
You were standing still, Asian. That's how the enforcer got you.
Well, I thought I was gonna kill him quickly, and then he one-shot me, which was surprising.
Because
Yeah,
he does a
unfortunately,
ton of damage.
Oh well.
Okay, so where are we going? High ground, right?
Yep.
I can't
lead the
heal
way.
you.
Come over here.
I have to. I didn't want to use my fade.
Oh god, that's a lot of damage. I'm sorry. Should have put my shield up.
And now I have half health,
And
half healing.
I have ultimate already.
I'll try to just hold my shield up.
Yeah, I don't know what not to do.
That's a big beam.
It is a
Not
very big
pitiful.
beam.
I'm recharging shield.
Yep. Alright.
Assassin.
What the hell? Oh, she's going on the side. Where the hell is she?
Oh,
You're fine.
I thought she was just gonna chill. I didn't think she was actually gonna go. On your side too.
Oh my god, I think Symmetra's really good for this mode. Freaking laser, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
those are
so,
Oh, she's on me, she's on me, on me.
You took the first person. What is going on?
Another assassin.
Yeah.
Teleporter online. I have opened the box.
oh. Thank you.
Well,
Here comes an enforcer.
It just spawns on the other side. Oh, what?
Oh my god.
I
I got one shot by her and Enforcer.
Oh, there he is.
heavy.
Okay, we gotta make them cycle. We gotta cycle them.
Alright, so, remember the
Hey,
teleporter?
come, Sim! You're making me ult! You were supposed to move. You weren't supposed to stay there.
We have to run away from the heavy. The heavy's gonna charge shortly. Nope, I'm down. I should have bailed.
I pushed the teleport button.
Cover. Everyone get the teleporter? I'll let you know when we're alone. Alright. Wait for the heavy to go and get you.
He's destroying the teleporter.
Yeah.
Okay, he's moving now. He's moving now. He's moving now.
Yeah. Wait as long as you can and then charge across and come up to where we are.
There's a heavy
Alright.
on the other side.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh, actually, no. Okay.
Come on to the side. Come on to the side.
I was trying to teleport.
Alright, it's fine, it's fine.
I barely got the teleporter out.
This is not fine.
Oh shit.
No, there's a guy.
God damn it.
I'm sorry, I fucked up.
Yeah.
You weren't supposed to stay there. We just discussed about circling.
Yeah. Alright. That was pretty solid though.
Yeah, we got pretty
Yeah,
far.
special 10,000. Alright. You wanna try that strat again?
Yes.